dolls, welcome back to another video. It is me, your girl Briana Marie. This is a different video, y'all. This is a lip swatch video. So I really want to get into Nova Beauty a little bit more with their lips, okay? Because I just love their lippies, and I know a lot of people can relate because we all would love a good lip. So I'm just going to be playing actually in lippies because I just want to see and test what lippies can I do with different combinations, y'all. So we definitely going to get our Nova Beauty products set up. I want to show you a bunch of lip glosses and definitely their lip liner. They have a bunch of lip liners, but I only really use the brown ones, y'all. So we're going to actually swatch some lips. I'm going to take this lip off. We're gonna swatch some lips, and I'm gonna give y'all nude lip combo and everything in here. So if y'all are like, where's the nude? Where's the nude? It's in here, so y'all have to keep watching. If y'all want some new lippies to add to your collection, definitely keep on watching this video. You won't regret. So we're gonna wipe off this lip. I don't wanna wipe this lip off, but I'm gonna wipe it off. I'm gonna come a little closer. I like to just go ahead and give me a wipe and just start wiping the lips off. So we're gonna be using a wipe today. Oh, lips is not about to hurt. It's this combo that I stated that I wanted to try for a long time, and that's with Nova Beauty lipstick in the shade Reset, but with a burgundy liner, y'all. And I also have a lip liner, the shade Red. It's gonna go in good combination with this burgundy liner. And I'm going to line. Okay, y'all, so I probably don't do really good with lining my lips, but let's go ahead and add Reset. This is the shade Reset right here. When I tell y'all this orange is so pretty, it is so pretty. A lot of people shy away from colored lips now. Like, a lot of people don't do colored lips no more, so I just want to, like, relive that on. Y'all, tell me that combo didn't eat. Ooh. Look at that. Baby, we starting off on scale 10 with the lips. On scale 10 with the lips, because that is so pretty. All right, so we're going to go ahead and take Nova Beauty Red Lip Liner. It's a little lighter. Nova Beauty's Red Lip Liner. It's a little redder than what I have on. So I'm going to go ahead and put this right in the middle. Yeah, I don't even want to take this lip off. I don't want to take this lip off. If y'all haven't got Reset, go ahead and get Reset right now. You can just pair with this red lip liner and this, and it's a perfect combination. But I like a darker, vampier lip, so I had to go ahead and line it with a darker liner and then add that red. So that was the first lip. Now I'm going to try the second lip. Let's see what combo we. Let's try burgundy and pink, or red and pink. Yes, we're gonna take the color Cutie with this lip. We're gonna take Cutie with this. Let's see how this looks. Of course, we gotta blend everything back together. It's like a pinky shade, y'all. Why I just knew this one eat? Like, this is the perfect pink. So this is the color Cutie with the red lip liner, y'all. Shade Cutie with this red lip liner. And just a little bit of that burgundy added to it, but oh, it just eat. Like, these looks, I wanna have to try with like basic beads. And then for gloss, you can add a gloss on top of it. I would do something like If You Know, You Know. Ooh, let's see how this looks. So this is how this looks. Let me actually pause for this one. Yeah, I really think these are lip combos that I think y'all should get. So I'm gonna also try a gloss on top because it's looking like it matches. Like I could do this. It's called If You Know, You Know. I feel like all the babes should have these in their purse right now. So pretty, a pretty pink, and it's not like a real pigmented pink. It's that perfect sheer pink. Okay, so but just that, nothing else. Like, don't put none on the cupid's bow. Just leave it like this. This is with the color. If you know, you know. Because if you know. But that's up to you. You can either put a gloss in the middle or you don't have to. You can leave it just matte, just like it was. I ate the first two lippies up. And if y'all want to know each lip, definitely check the description box down below. And I'll tell y'all every lip that I use. So we're not going to use lipstick for this option. We're going to use a lip liner and lip gloss, because I want to see how it looks. So I'm going to take the liner from Nova Beauty in Brown 02. It always has a brush at the end. All right, y'all, so it will always have a brush at the end, but I don't use that part. I feel like I want to add this because this is my favorite lip gloss. No cap, y'all, cause no cap. So I'm put this right in the middle. This is a more muted lip. The glosses are very pigmented, y'all, but it also has some sheerness to it, to where it's not sheer at the same time. If y'all get what I'm saying, yeah. So this is it, a very muted lip. I could see this lip with a no makeup look. It just looks like my natural lip. I'm gonna go ahead and move on to my next lip. The entire wrap is from Nova Beauty. When I say I rock this lip with every look, I rock it. I want to keep it in the neutrals. Okay, so I started off with two bold lips that I feel like y'all can slay with and do a softie with, but now I feel like when you enter the bold, this is the lip, especially the last one, but y'all know all the girlies like a new lip. So this is the lips that I choose when it comes to Nova Beauty. So if y'all haven't sold out yet, go ahead and do so now, because this lipstick y'all have to get. Oh, it's my all-time favorite. This one is called On My Way Gel Liner. Yes, I use a gel liner for most of my lipsticks. I mean, for most of my lip liners, y'all. Even other ones. But for this specific one, I love that they had a gel liner because I use it. And it's called On My Way. I like it because I love a dark brown lip. This is the lipstick. Okay, so this is the lipstick that I use every time I pick up a Nova Beauty lipstick. This is called Tone, y'all. You see how nude that is? It's raggedy, y'all, but this is how the lipstick looks because I be abusing it. What do you mean? It's probably bent over, but this, y'all. When I first ever received that product and I seen this nude, I just was like, this is it. This is it. Y'all, it's so pretty. I just love, everybody loves a nude. So then I'm gonna go ahead and take Brown 02 because it's like a lighter brown. I'm just gonna go ahead and mix this up. And it's gonna give it that ombre lip. Now y'all can leave it matte like this because the lipstick is actually moisturizing. As I was saying before my memory ran out, y'all, that this is the one. Okay, y'all should be selling all this lip like crazy because this lip is everything it eats. So what I like to pair with this lip is clear gloss. The lipstick is already moisturized by itself. The Brown 02, which is this one, not the gel liner because the gel liner is matte. This one right here is kind of moisturizing as well to me. And I just like to go in with a clear gloss and just put it on top of this. Gloss just does it. This is Nova Beauty's Thicc clear gloss. Every time I do a brown liner, that's why I look like that. I'm gonna order another one without putting it on my brow liner. So I gotta keep wiping it off. I take on a brown first, and then I go ahead and I take this. I take this on top of the entire lip. This is the shade Thicc, but yes, favorite nude of all times. 9 times out of 10, you're gonna see me with this lip combo right. This is my favorite lip combo of all times. These are the items that you should be purchasing, especially for this lip combo. This is a lip combo that goes for everything. It's a pretty lip combo. It's not too light in the center. It is a perfect nude with that perfect liner. You can either do the dark brown liner, or you could do the just simple soft brown liner if you want to, which is brown 02, or you could do the gel liner, which is a very dark brown. Depends on how you feel, but I gave you both liners and they're on the lip, and it looks so good. If this video didn't convince you to go get some Nova Beauty products, I don't know what y'all doing. I don't know, but y'all need to hurry up and y'all need to run and get some, because this lip's so pretty. But I'm gonna end it right here, y'all. I hope that y'all enjoyed this lip swatch, and I hope that y'all got some combinations off of the lipsticks that I swatched for y'all. So y'all got 2 bold lips and 2 beautiful everyday soft lips that y'all can wear with just a little bit of foundation to get the no makeup look, or this one with your soft glam beats, but with this nude lip. Then you have your other 2, which are an orange lip mixed with red and burgundy, and then you have your red and pink, which is Valentine's Day is gonna be coming up soon, so I might as well go ahead and order that lip and put that on because ooh, fire. So I just gave y'all 2 bold lips and 2 soft lips, y'all. And don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment, rate, and subscribe. If y'all do not do that, it doesn't push my videos out there so that everybody can see it. I really want y'all to do that because I need the people that view the video to actually like it, to have the like match the views. So until the end, see you guys on my next Nova Beauty video. Always remember to keep your lips Nova Beauty popping.